This question is from the previous year's question paper of JEE Main exam 2025. So the question is from the topic of permutation and combination. So here the problem is we have to find the number of 5 digits numbers that we can form by using only this given digits, with the condition that each of those 5 digit number should be greater than 50,000. So that is the first condition. And the second condition is the sum of the first digit and the last digit should not be more than 8. That means it can be less than 8 or equal to 8, but it should not be more than 8. So let me just denote the uh, position of each of those digit, say by using this box. So here is your unit digits or ones, and here is your tens digit, and here is your hundred digits, and here is your thousand digit, and 10,000 digit. Since the first condition says that the number should be greater than 50,000, so for any number to be greater than 50,000, so therefore your 10,000 digits should be 5 or more. So here that means if you are using this given digit, so the only digit that can take this portion are 5. Okay, let me write here 5, 6 or 7. So if you take any digit other than this, say 4, so whatever be the digit you select here, that number is always less than 50,000. So for the first condition to be satisfied, I mean your 10,000 place should be 5, 6 or 7. But now the second condition says that the sum should be less than or equal to 8, or should not be more than 8. So now if 5 is your 10,000 digit, so the ones digit should be, it should be 0, or it should be 1, 2 or 3. It cannot be 4, because if we take the tens digit, sorry, unit digit to be 4, then the sum is more than 8, which is 9. So similarly, if your 10,000 place is 6, then your unit digit can be 0, 1 or 2, and if your 10,000 place is taken by 7, then your unit digit should be 0 or 1. So now the number of all those 5 digits which can be formed with this condition is same as the number of ways you can select this 1,000 digit, 100 digit and tens digit. So now if we start with 5 as your 10,000 place, then the number of ways you can select your 1,000 place is the number of ways you can select this digit from the given digit. So which you can select in 8 ways. So since repetition is allowed, so for the 100 place also you can select in 8 ways, and tens place also in 8. This number something like this 5 and 3, 3, this is allowed. We say this is a number. So and when your 1,000 place, you can select either 0 or 1 or 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, which you can select or choose in 8 ways. So similarly your 100 digits you can choose in 8 ways, tens digit you can choose in 8 ways. So therefore the number of 5 digit number with 5 as the first digit is equal to, say, the number of ways you can select this position here, that is 8 cubed, 8 into 8 into 8. Then after that, then the last digit, that is the unit digit, you can select into how many ways? You can select 0, 1, 2 or 3, which you can do in 4 ways. So the total number of ways you can do that is this product by fundamental principle of counting. But here it include the possibility where all these digits are zero. But now if all the digits here are zero, then that number does not satisfy this first condition. So we remove that. So similarly, for this second group of number in which the first digit is 6, you can select this 1000 digits, 100 digits, and tens digit in each for 3 ways into then the number of ways you can select your unit digits, which you can do in 3 ways. And finally, all those numbers starting with 7. So the number of such number is 8 to the power 3 into 2. So therefore, the total number of 5 digit numbers is equal to an 8 cubed into 4 minus 1 plus 8 cubed into 3 plus 8 cubed into 2. So now 8 cubed you can take common, then 4 plus 3 plus 2 minus 1. So 8 cubed is 512. Then 4 plus 3 plus 2 is 9 minus 1. If we multiply this, so 9 to 18, 919, so it will be 10, 9, 5, 45, so 46 minus 1, so which is equal to 4607. Let us see whether this option is there or not. So yes, so your correct option is 4607.